Hi guys, in CWQ here, and I'm getting on for a minute because there was a 3.4 earthquake off the coast of Oregon, and we never see earthquakes in Oregon because like somebody said they've been banned there. Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, anyway, it was 13 kilometers deep, and we're gonna go look at Google Earth and see where it was. Okay, let's pull this one up. And I haven't gone and looked on my speedy little Google Earth yet. So let's go. Boom. Wow, this one's above the line. So we can see this is the North Gorda Ridge segment here. And it is off of Brandon and Coquille, or Coos Bay, anyway. So it runs right here. And then, of course, we have the convergent line, the divergent line, the North Gorda Ridge segment, the Jackson segment, the Central segment. That are right there. Then we have the Blanco Depression Zone, which is there. Yep. Okay, so this one is occurring out here. I just thought I'd do a real quick video. Okay, so let's check this. On our interactive map, we can see that it was also a 3.4 on here. October 14th, 2022, off the coast of Oregon. And we'll see what USGS has to say. USGS also states that it was 13.3 kilometers in depth. Interesting. Okay, so we'll see, was that the only earthquake in Oregon today or not? So that one was yesterday, and it was 1.5. And this one was the 12th, so that don't count. What's this one? 1.89000000000001. Anyway, that was on the 11th. Sorry, so many zeros. And this one, I think this is Washington State up here. Yeah, that's a 0.6, and that was on the 12th. So yeah, you can tell, don't really have too many earthquakes out here. But this is where this one was. Just thought I'd do a real quick video since somebody brought it to my attention and caught it before me. Wonder what these two are. That was yesterday. It was the 4.4 on the 13th. And this is the 2.8 on the 13th. So that's California. Okay, you guys. I hope y'all are doing well. Hope y'all are doing great. And much love and take care.